I like being a shop technician because of the camaraderie in the shop. I know that if I have a problem, the guys can help me out.
I'm not the kind of guy who works well with someone standing over his shoulder. I like being on the road. I like knowing that I have a different place to go to every day.
I enjoy being a shop technician because you see different stuff every day. We work on engines, work on transmissions in the shop. We do big jobs, pull engines, pull transmissions, work on differentials.
You manage your own time. As long as you're able to do your job, you don't have the hassle of somebody always looking over your shoulder.
I like being a shop technician because I always come to the same place. I always have my tools organized the way I want them. I can find everything where I want them. And if I ever need help, I always have a coworker that could help me.
I mean, I meet new people every day, and there's always a different job, you know, that I'm facing. Keeps it entertaining.
I like being a shop technician because I know what I'm walking into every day. I know, my toolbox and my tools, and I know that I'm not alone. I have technicians all around me. If I run across something that I don't know or I'm not familiar with, I can ask, and everyone wants to help.